Hi, my dear ones. Good morning. Welcome back to Gurdeva e-learning class. My dear students, as you know already, we were discussing about the fourth lesson, right? Which is that is places around us, right, my dear? So, my dear, in the previous class, you have learned about the some places, right? Which are those? Yes, you're absolutely right. Those are hospital and bank, isn't it? So now we are going to recapitulate the previous class, what you have learnt in that. Okay, let's revise the previous class. Okay, my dear, then tell me who gives us treatment for us? Yes, you're absolutely right. Doctor gives us treatment, right? So he treats the patient and he is giving the medicine to patients, right, my dear? Okay, then tell me, how do banks help us? Yes, you are right. The bank keys help us too by keeping our money and jewelry safe, right? Okay, then tell me, which are the cards issued by the banks, my dear? Yes, your guessing is right. So, the bank issues the ATM card, credit card and debit cards, right? So, these three cards are the digitalized version of the money, my dear. Okay, they are the digitalized version of the money. These three cards we can use and we can carry very easily from one place to another place. Okay, so these cards are help us to buy the art, purchase the things in the shopping center or else in the anywhere you want, there you can purchase the things. Okay, not only for that, even we have to pay the bill of hospitals or about other. Okay, so like that these cards are useful to us, my dear. Okay, can you guess this picture? Which picture is this? Do you know which picture is this? Don't you know? Okay, don't worry. So this is the mall. Okay, this is a mall. We can see these malls in the big cities like Bangalore, Mysore, Mumbai, Delhi, okay, Chennai. Like that cities we can see this type of buildings are as malls. Okay, about this we will learn in today's class. Before that, let's read the remaining lesson. So please open your textbook on page number 169. Okay, have you opened the textbook? Okay, let's read the lesson, my dear. Petrol pump. People go to petrol pump to fill fuel in their vehicles. All vehicles need petrol, diesel or CNG. CNG it means compressed natural gas to run. People also get the tires of their vehicles filled with air at the petrol pump. Historical places. Historical places are those important places that have been a part of our country for years. Tourists from all over the world come to see these historical places as these places represent our country. Among historical places, there could be temples, forts, museums, monuments, places, botanical gardens, zoos, etc. When we visit these historical places, we learn a lot about our country and its people. These historical places are important and should be preserved. We must take care not to litter when we visit such places. All these places around us are for everyone to use. We must keep them clean and use them carefully. Okay, my dear? My dear students, so now I am going to write the interesting words which are given in the textbook. So be ready with your pencil and classwork. Okay. Yes, my dear ones. Now we will read the interesting words. Okay. Interesting words. The first one is petrol. Petrol. Second one fuel. Fuel. Third one vehicles. Vehicles. Fourth one compressed. Fifth one natural. Sixth one, HISTORICAL, historical. Seventh one, FORTS, force. Eighth one, MUSEUMS, museums. Ninth one, MONUMENTS, monuments. 11th one, PALACES, palaces. 10th one, PALACES, palaces. 11th one, BOTANICAL, botanical. 12th one, PRESERVED, preserve. 13th one, RESPRESENT, represent. Okay, my dear. So all these interesting words you must underline on your textbook, and also you can write down in your class work. Okay. So today itself you have to practice all these interesting words. How I pronounce in the same way you can practice, because of all these interesting words are help us to read the lesson very easily, my dear. Okay. So now we are going to visit the mall. Okay. So my dear, have you visited the mall, my dear? You don't visit? Okay. So let's visit the mall. My dear students, let's visit the mall. My dear students, I have one doubt. Mall is there in our town? No. In our town, there is no mall. Okay. So malls are in a big cities only. Okay. So have you visited the mall? Don't you visit? Okay, let's visit the mall, my dear. So let's observe the picture of mall. So if we observe the picture, it means then we are going to understand mall is a large building that is full of many smaller shops or stores. Okay, so mall is a large building, my dear. This is a open building. Here we can see the many more shops or stores, like restaurants we are seeing, grocery shop, flower shops, and home appliances shops we can see, slipper shops also we are seeing there, restaurants we are seeing, multiplex here, multiplex also we are seeing, and also we can see the game zones. Okay, jewelry shop also we are seeing there. Many more shops are in the one building. Okay, many more shops are in one building. So that building we are known as a mall, my dear. So malls are in commonly we are seeing in the big cities like Bangalore, Mysore, Hubli, Dharwad, okay, and Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, like that big cities we are seeing the mall, my dear. Okay, so now you are all thinking, which is the very famous mall in our Karnataka, isn't it? So Mantri Mall is a very famous mall center or shopping center in our Karnataka. It is in Bangalore. Okay, Mantri Mall, RS Forum, like that many more are there. You have to search in the Google. Okay, so which are the famous malls in a Karnataka, that you can search in the Google and you can find out the answer. Okay, so my dear, large mall is a large building. So here we can see the many more shops. All are open place. Okay, all shops are present in the open place, my dear. So restaurant, this word we heard in the sense, it means our minds suddenly it is imagine the different delicious foods, right? Restaurant in the sense, here we can see the different types of delicious foods like North Indian, North Karnataka, even Chinese, American, Mexican, like the different delicious food we are seeing in the restaurants. Okay, so next, multiplex. Multiplex, it means here we can watch the movies in a big screen. Okay, movies we can watch in a big screen, my dear. That is called multiplex. Understand? Like film theaters are there, na? So film theaters, in theater the screen is small, but multiplex we go means there the screen is very big. There we are watching the movies. Next, game zones. See, now game zones in the sense the children are going to play the video games, okay, and some other game zones we can, some other playing things we can sing in the game zone, my dear, to entertain the people or as children who are coming or as who are visiting the mall. Okay, so see, my dear students, this mall is different from the earlier market or as bazaars. See, in our town on Thursday there is a market, right? In the market we are seeing the many more vegetables are selling and buying, or as other cloth shops also coming, other jewelry shops also coming, that we are seeing, but totally different from the earlier market or as bazaars. Okay, because of most of the stores are, most of the shops are present in a single building. So that's why here all is, or everything is available in the mall, my dear. Okay, if we visit the mall, it means in the mall itself we can buy many more things, okay, like groceries, fruit shop, flower shops are available. So that's why in a single place we can purchase everything which are needed for us. Understand? So, my dear students, this is a brief information about the mall. So next we are going to visit one of the very important place in everyone's life. This place is help us to travel one place to another place. Have you guessed the place name, my dear? Do you know which place we are going to visit now? Don't you know? Let's guess. Yes, okay, my dear ones, let's visit the petrol pump. Are you visit the petrol pump, my dear? Yes, commonly we are all are visiting the petrol pump because of we are all are have the vehicles, right? So the vehicles wants to run on the road or else travel on the road. It means we have to visit the petrol pump. Because of in the petrol pump we are going to get the petrol, diesel, CNG, right? So commonly, my dear, we are telling the petrol bunk, right? But particularly we are telling that is petrol pump. The pump word is converted as a bunk. Okay, how the petrol pump is help us to peoples. What do we get in the petrol pump? Let's observe the word, my dear. Okay, so in the petrol pump, my dear, people go to petrol pump to fill fuel in their vehicles. Okay, fuel in the sense indana. Okay, fuel in the sense indana. So which are the fuel we are going to get in the petrol pumps? It means like petrol, diesel and CNG. Okay, our vehicles wants to run on the road. It means all the vehicles are need the fuel like a diesel, petrol or as CNG. Okay, by that the engine is working very it is working very properly and vehicles are running on the road, my dear. Okay, so my dear, now you are all are thinking what is CNG, isn't it? So the CNG long form is compressed natural gas. Okay, compressed natural gas. So this CNG is one of the eco-friendly gasoline. Okay, here this CNG is made up of methane, my dear. Okay, this CNG is made up of methane. About that you are going to learn in the higher classes. Understand? So LPG is a different. CNG is also a different. Okay, LPG is a one of the liquid form of the petrol. Okay, liquid form of the petrol is called as a LPG. So this is CNG. CNG in the sense this is a natural gas. This gas we are going to get by the methane. Okay, so gobar gas anta kelidiralva, gobar gas. So that is known as a CNG. CNG in the sense this is a natural gas. It is a eco-friendly gasoline. Okay, it is made up of methane, my dear. And my dear, so in the petrol pump we are also get the people also get the tires in their vehicles and filled with where in the petrol pump. Okay, so there not only they are getting the fuel, even they are getting the different tires and fill that the tires are filled with the air, that also they are getting, my dear. And my dear, so when we visit the petrol pump as petrol bunk, there we are seeing the this type of boards. What it present, my dear? What it is represent? Have you seen this type of boards, my dear, in the petrol bunk? Yes, commonly we are seeing this type of boards. Okay, this board is representing like mobile phones are not allowed in the petrol pump. Okay, this board is indicating mobile phones are not allowed in the petrol pump. Why mobile phones are not allowed in the petrol bunk? Because of, my dear, mobile phone could generate a spark at a petrol pump. Okay, mobile phones are generating the spark in the sense kidi, benki. Okay, so they are generating the spark in the petrol pump. Okay, so about this, so many videos are viral in the social media. I think you have seen that, isn't it? So if mobile phones we are using in the petrol bunk when we are going to get the petrol, or else when we are going to taking the petrol for our vehicles, and that time suddenly the mobile phones are generating the spark, that is cause of the death or as blast. Understand? So that's why you must avoid the mobile phones when you visit the petrol bunk, my dear. Okay, so petrol bunk ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇಂದ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಕಿಡಿ ಹಾರುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ I think you have seen the many videos in the social media. Okay, so my dear students, this is a brief information about the petrol pump. Okay.
Okay, my dear, now we will check the workstation which is we leave in the last class. Okay, so what they given in the workstation, it means visit a bank with your parents and observe the different sections: receiving counter, paying counter, passbook updation, etc. So my dear, what they given the workstation, it means once you can visit the bank. So in the bank we are seeing the different sections. Okay, different parts we are seeing. So which are the parts we are seeing? It means receiving counter we are seeing, paying counter, passbook updation. See, receiving counter it means, so receiving counter it means here they taking the loan applications or as account application. We want to make account in the bank itself, it means they are taking the bank forms or application forms. Okay, and they are receiving the challan form to draw the money, like that work they are doing. Next, paying counter in the sense here we want to withdraw the money from our account, means here they giving the money to us, how much we need that they are giving. Okay, passbook updation in the sense, so if we make the account in the bank, it means they are giving one book that is called as passbook, my dear. Observe the passbook picture, my dear, then you are going to understand. So here there is a information about your account and your money, how much money you have in your account, when you draw that money, and when you again you put the money in your account. About the all details they are entry and they are giving in this book. Okay, so this is called a passbook updation, my dear. So you want to observe all these counters in the bank, it means once you can visit the bank, then you are going to understanding. Okay, I hope you are going to visit the bank, my dear.
So my dear, we will meet in the next class. Until you have to practice all the interesting words and all the discussed point, my dear. Okay, so Have a nice day. Bye bye, my dear.